Hello everyone here, welcome to GBT's channel. Today is a new day for the unboxing for the Land Cruiser Alpha model. Let's open the carton box, see what's inside parts by parts. In the box, there is a packing list. When you get the whole set, you can check by parts by the list. This kit is fitted for the car from the year 2016 to now. Today we will show the black edition of the model. It is a real running board. There is more support for the running board to compact the running board. It is made by PP material. Okay. It's more stable. You can see it is high gloss black. The exhaust pipes here. Just like this. A pair of exhaust pipes. Chrome here, shining. It is made by alloy. It is a foam for the front bumper support. Okay. We have the logo GBT here. I think it is grill.
Let's see it.
Let's open it and inside. We have many models for the grill. Now we show you is the TRD version, black. Let's see just like the nest.
TRD style.
High gloss black. We also could provide more models. If you want, we still could provide the 2021 version for the grill. We will show you at the following time. As this kit is for the car from the year 2016 to now. If your car is the older version, we could provide the whole set with hood and fenders. Now this is chrome, black one for the black edition, so the chrome is just we paint like a black. If you want the original ones for ordinary, it is chrome. Okay, the following part is the day running light. In the front bumper, we take in the front bumper. Because this one is a black edition, so the day running light is black ones. For the ordinary ones, we provide the chrome. I think it's chrome. Just like the letter 7. We still have the additional option for the fog lamps. Just like another model, we show the fog lamps just like the circle, I think. If you are familiar with us, you could check another version. black is just for the front bumper, made by alloy, I think. A little heavy.
2 pieces。你待会儿还摆那个呢。下面呢？这怎么包的？这
直接拿出来。It is a middle vent. Okay, in the middle of the front bumper, we tack in the front bumper. Still like the design made by GBT, just like the nets. The chrome. Also for black edition, we provide the black ones of the chrome. If you choose the ordinary one, it is a chrome. I think it's here. Okay. If you have any questions about the installation, you could check on our website or Facebook and Instagram. We have videos for installations for the chrome and the side vents and the middle vents. This is a mud guard. We have 2 pieces. This is the first one. Side vents. The left one and the right ones. Still the design for the nest. It is made by ABS. The support for the spare parts. Made by alloy, I think. Still heavy. And the screws here. Bracket. 这个什么？机盖亮条是不是？应该是。This one may be the stickers for the hood, I think. Let's have a look at the sticker. Stickers in front of the hood. Just like this. Maybe it is made by ABS, I think.
You can paint the color.
You can paint the color just as you like. You 小心点啊，别切到手。雾灯。
等会儿啊，你别高兴。你讲点其他的。后档灯。
Rear bumper lamp. The right one and the left ones. Okay. Just like this. 啊，这个是那的，是吧？这个是这的，这样。The red ones. Okay.
这个放哪儿？不要装了，放回去。
黑号版本的灯也是红色的。The fog lamps is here.
LED.
With LED. Okay, the ones for the lamps. It's here. The support for the fog lamps made by ABS, also ABS. Cover. 雾灯在这。So much for the carton box for this part. Okay, the following part is the bumpers, I think. Our bumper is made by PP material. It's kind of plastic. PP material is more stable for the temperature resistance. Also, when it gets the broken, it is not very easy to be damaged. So we choose PP as a material for the bumpers. Let's have a look at the front bumper here. Okay, the middle vents we tap here, and the side vents we put it here. Okay. The lip is still designed by GBT. This one here. You could have carefully check the details. PP 说过了。The last part for the model is a rear bumper. Also, it is made by PP material. We could have a look at it and check it carefully. We provide the primer coating for the bumpers. When you get the kit, you could paint as you like, because in different market we have the different color popular in your market. You could paint the bumpers as you like for the new car. If you guys if you have the car from the year 2016 to now, if you get this pack, you could after 2 hours to 3 hours, maybe I think you will get the new car, a brand new car for the Land Cruiser Alphard design. Now we go back to the whole set, side by side, parts by parts. It is a black edition for the Land Cruiser Alphard model. It is fitted for the car year from the 2016 to now. The first one is the bumpers, the very big ones, bumpers and the rear bumpers made by PP, because PP is more stable. In the front part is the side vents and the middle vents. Also, it is a black edition, so the side molding chrome is just painted the high gloss black ones here. It is day running light, just like the letter 7. For the original ones, it is chrome here. It is a black edition, so we painted the day running light, the black ones. The grill is for TRD version, so it is designed by the Nest. Also, it is a cover for fog lamps here. And the screws and the support spare parts here. This one is tiny ones is for hood stickers. It is made by ABS, so you could paint as you like the color as your car. This one and that one is mud guard here. In the middle of the kit, it is the foam for the front bumper. Just we show you it is tapped by the GBT logo, and also it is tagged the F116. It is a model number for this whole kit. This one is exhaust pipes, the right one and the left one here. Also the bumper lights here. It is the red ones for the bumper. We could install it here. The last one is a real running board here. We still painted the high gloss black ones. If your car is the older version, we could provide the hood and the fenders and the rear doors as a whole pack. If you have two people, I think it takes about 3 hours. Then you could, for the installations, you could get the brand new cars here. Let's have a look at the kit for 2019 Land Cruiser model. This is a black edition, so the chrome is, we paint the high gloss black ones. For the ordinary version, it is chrome. It is a front bumper lip. It is made by ABS, so it is easy to paint the colors as you like. In different markets, we saw that there is more different colors that are popular on your market, so you could paint the color you like. Now we show is a version like gray as a little shining. We take the coats on the bumper lips. This is real bumper lips here. Because it is a black edition, so this one is also we paint a black color here. For the ordinary version, this one is chrome. Also, the real bumper lip, we take the coat for the gray color, little shining here. If you like the white, purple white, or Lulu white, you also could paint as yourself. Also, we could provide the Lulu white and some special white color in your market. If you have some special needs or customized needs, you could let us know for your informations. Also, we provide the wheel trims for these bumper lips. For the whole performance, we still take the gray color here. This one we just take the black glue here. You just take on the car, very easy to do the installation. The four pieces for the wheel trims here. For this one, there is screws, holes here. We developed 3 models for the wheel trims for the different bumper lips. This one is for LC World model. Now we show you it is a gray color, a little shining. For the back or the containers, we provide the primer coating. When you get our products in your market, you could paint as you like, with all the colors you like. This new wheel trims is for the installation. It is the front one is tipped with black glue, and also for this one there is holes. I think there is screws for this for installation. For this bumper lip for LC World, we provided this one, this whole set for the installation, for the performance. If you are interested in our other bumper lips, just like 2019 model, 2019 TRD version, we still have the 2 other models for the wheel trims as a whole. Now we show you the latest new grille for 2021 version of the Land Cruiser. If you are interested in this grille, please let us know. And it is the new design here, not the same as the original ones from our old versions grille. We have many more models for grille. If you have the different need for your market, you could let us know for the grille. Now this is the latest ones.